Hey y'all, what's going on? Thank you for joining and stopping through on Miss Prettylicious Peace channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is making some chicken noodle soup. Around this time where I stay, it's really cold outside and it's snowing, and this is the best time to, eat chicken noodle soup. So today I'm going to make sure I show you how I make my chicken noodle soup. And all you have to do is just relax, listen to the music that I'm going to play for you, and you know what I'm saying, just see how I make it, or you can make it with me. All right, okay, so please share, like, and subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, you have a blessed day. Okay, so here I had seasoned chicken wings. I used chicken wings instead of chicken breasts, and I poured some chicken broth into the pot. You can use like 2 of these. You're going to see me mix water with it, and I'm going to add the chicken bourbon, I can't even say it right, but the cubes, chicken cubes in there for the seasoning. Okay, so you can do that, or you can add around 2 or 3 of these chicken broths. And for the chicken wings, you can put as many chicken wings as you want. I didn't really make like chicken breast or do a lot of chicken because my son, he doesn't eat meat. So I tried to, just make a few wings for me and my daughter. So put as much chicken as you want.